Alright, we are back live. Episode 3, after an amazing episode 2. Let's try to beat that. Let's try to beat the $848 of profits in one session. It's probably going to be tough with this huge dip the last half a day or so. But Binance always has something to trade. Okay. Let's start. First I'm gonna need some BNB. I think I'm low. Yeah, I'm a bit low. So let's have a look at Bitcoin. Nice dip. %7, not that bad. Does it have some sort of support level? Yeah, it seems so. Because of this area, there's some support right now. And next level would be, well, this area is definitely support. This could shoot back up, but whatever, as long as this is going sideways, we can trade some altcoins on Binance. Let's have a look. So we're gonna look at REC once again. GTC, USDT. Here. Storage. Jess. Dexy. Anchor. Ion. CVC. Oops. Sia coin. SFP. Let's keep it at this list for now. Oh, and GNT, because GNT. Oh, it's not on Binance. That column was on Binance. Alright. Is key on Binance? Yeah. Something going on with key. There we go. Right from the start, perfect entry position. Is this a trap? Yeah, might be. I mean, these are some strange patterns. I don't trust this. Maybe, not sure. What's the volume on key? Oh, 21. It's not bad. I don't think this will shoot up. I mean, oh, well, maybe it will. But the percentages aren't that interesting. No, it's not interesting. I am curious though where this will end up, so I'm gonna leave it. Okay, let's start from the top. Requests. Yesterday we traded in this range. We made like $800 trading this pattern. It's now, it eventually got past $1. Hello, you promised to prepare a spreadsheet. Oh yes, I did. Oh, nice of the reminder. What I did was I created a copy of my spreadsheet, and it's actually set, if I'm correctly, to a public spreadsheet. So I think this should work. I mean, the spreadsheet actually is not that complex. You can just copy it. I'll post it in the chat right now. And you can see for yourself. You can go to File and then make a copy. And then delete my own trades, make it yours. I need to set this as a nightbot, you know, when typing !! trade log. Then the link should appear, but I'm gonna set it up later. Yo Pim, yo Ruben. Well, I actually mined Sia coin. Alright, well, let's have a look at Sia coin. Yeah, definitely was some action today. 22%. Not sure if I'm gonna trade this though. This, I'm not sure. No, I can't trade this. I'll keep it in my list, see where it goes. But oh, it looks a lot like CVC. Why is that? Is there some Bitcoin correlation? No. CVC and SC, are they connected to each other, Ruben? You probably know. Looks a lot like each other. Civic. Maybe it's also a storage solution. Whatever. All right, Aeon. Aeon didn't cross its previous all-time high like Request did. Request did better eventually. Yesterday we traded these two and I got a lot of money out of it. That's all the way. All these trades were yesterday. Most of them were Aeon and REC. Alright, so Request. I would say this is at a nice position. It looks like it's going to squeeze. I mean, this is a clear upward trend line. And this should be some, yeah, I mean, roughly speaking, this area is a area of, well, resistance at first. And it looks like it's forming some sort of support as well. So this probably is a nice position to enter. I'm just gonna check out its volume. $1 miljard, 1 billion in volume. Still, that's huge. What are the percentages? Still nice. 5% up in 2 minutes. Yeah, we're probably gonna make some trades. If it touches this line, I'm definitely buying, so let's set an alert. I do have to look out for Bitcoin this session though. If Bitcoin's losing the support level, then it will drag all altcoins with it. How much can it drop? 1%? How much can it? Oh, this is a lot nice potential. Maybe it's going to squeeze in between this. Will this be by? I feel like waiting it out a little bit more. Or no, this is quite a. No, I think I'm gonna get a position because of this area over here. Seems to like. I mean, it lost support once and then it immediately got back up. So I'm feeling comfortable with 25% of my stack on rec. Let's go. Got this at 9489. Deleting the other one. Alright. I mean, this can drop like 1.5%. I'm okay with that. I might buy some more than then. %30 in 1 hour. Yo, Swiss. Thanks, Swiss. There are some people watching my charts. I'm gonna share it in the. I will share it later on. All right, let's see if we can get a first profit in. Looks like it. Yeah, always feels good to make a profitable trade to start off the session, right? So there we go. Made some money with rec. 9628. 9628. That was my selling price. 9489. 9489 was my buying price. 1.5%. $28. Just to kick off the day. I mean, I sold at 28. Yeah. In 1.5 minutes. 1.4%. The potential would have been 3%. I think it will bounce back and actually touch this upward trend line before it's gonna break out of this triangle or actually drop out of this triangle. I mean, rec has had a huge upward spree the last 48 hours, so wouldn't be surprised if this is gonna break. Well, we'll see. There's still some. Is there? No. I'm gonna put a alert on this level. If it reaches that, then I will buy some more once again. Aeon. Aeon's also at a nice position. I mean, this is such a clear trend line. This is just self-fulfilling. This is very self-fulfilling. And is there also some support level at this level? It actually is below it. It's less strong than REC, definitely. Yep. What's the upward potential? What is a support? This is more of a support level. So I'm gonna wait it out a little bit. Or is this upward trend line really a thing? I'm not sure. Might not be that strong. I'm less convinced about this one. Oh, I'm at the 5 minutes. Let's look at the 1 minute chart. These swings are 3%, so 6, 4, 5, and it's about to make another swing. You know, I'll just try something out. How much can it drop? 2.5%. Will it do that? Maybe. But this looks like it should at least make a spike. Volume really is getting low though. It's not that big of a boy anymore. I'm gonna wait this out for a little bit. Look at REC. Actually moved upwards 4%. So could have made a $100 trade here, the potential. Don't want to distract you, but what would be influence of Bitcoin going down versus the dollar on altcoins, and why? Well, it's gonna be huge because most altcoins are still traded against Bitcoin and not against US dollar. I mean, that's also the explanation why on most exchanges there's still a lot of action on altcoins versus Bitcoin. So these pairs. USDT is, I'm not sure actually what the current status is, if it's a bigger market than BTC, but I mean, even if it isn't the case that anymore, the history always has been that it is. So people just expect when BTC drops, it brings down the whole market. It's just there's probably a long list of explanations why this relationship exists, but I think the oorsprong, the initial reason why, is because they are traded against each other, and yeah, I'll leave it at that. I'm not a real expert on this, but I mean, Bitcoin also has the by far the largest market cap of the whole crypto space. So when it goes down, it's seen as an indicator for the whole crypto space. Well, not a problem. Ben Gekke Henkini. What a weird name. I can hardly pronounce it. Oh shit, I'm moving my precious blue lines. Okay, let's continue. GTC. GTC is number 2 on Binance with 160 million of volume. It started out earlier today. Made a 50% move. Went horizontal from that on. The lowers are getting higher. But it seems to be resisting at this area. Not interested in it right yet. Maybe if it drops. These swings are probably nice. Yeah, 5%. So send an alert over here. Ion actually did shut up a little bit, 1.5%. This seems to be squeezing a little bit like this. Not sure if this is really a thing, but could be. So this could fail and drop below this level, but there's a lot of support in here, so. Okay, let's continue. Peer. I mean, if we draw a Fibonacci, it got quite deep down. This is unusual, to say the least. Oh, it was this new coin. Yeah, I recall this. This upswing though, 50%. Started out 2-3 hours ago. Got all the way back. Yeah. It's not bad actually. Could drop 2.3%, but a little bit interesting. Gotta move this up here. Set an alert. GTC dropping. Okay, I'll have a look. Ion actually did move up. Much lower pace than yesterday though. I mean, Bitcoin really paralyzed the altcoin market a bit. Oh wow, this is interesting. Immediately, chess. Who's a chess player here? Help me out. I need to play chess. So, 27% move. Starting at 6 today. The volume probably quite low, 34 million. It broke out of this area back in 80% move. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna watch this. Alright, so earlier this month it also broke, it's a bit shady. We can maybe get something out of this. Like, no. No, it's not pump and dump. I mean, pump and dump don't happen in 2 hours. Pump and dumps happen in 5 minutes. I mean, yeah, it looks like a pump and dump right on this chart. But this is the 4 hour. I mean, if you zoom in, it's probably just a strong, very strong exponential. There was definitely some natural trading going on here. All right. If this drops, yeah, I'm not sure. Oh, beer. Sorry for the loud bell, guys. Probably I have to mix my audio correctly someday. So I'm gonna. It did move up 11% last time. Yeah, I think I feel comfortable. Getting a little bit. Maybe just a little dip deeper. Will this drop down? Will this drop it? It could drop like 1 point. But this is... There seems to be some... This looks like resistance. It's a slow trade. This is gonna be a slow one, but I'll take it. Let's just go for something. Ah, you see that? It's a bit too slow in my decision making. 75. But I'm in. We'll see. This might take a while. Alright, I might set a stop loss, because if this falls below this level, then I'm fucked. Below 37, 37.93. $37.93. Whoa, already got 1%. I might just take some profits. I like getting out quickly. Yeah, why not? Not that big of a profit, but I like getting these small numbers. 3.8, didn't expect that to go up immediately. 38.75, my buy price, 39.07. Only $16. That's not a lot. Well, it's something, right? Yeah, this is looking nice. Jazz. Let's have a look at Rick. Okay. The lows are definitely getting higher. There's still some energy left in Rick, amazingly. Aeon got out of this area, but this line isn't working anymore. I think the volume is too low to actually get something going. Look at Bear though. Could have made it a little bit more. Maybe I should have. Nah, I always say that. Maybe I should have kept it. That's part of the game, right? I took some profits, maybe a bit too quick, but. Aeon, there we go. This is strange. I'm gonna buy some. This is way too... this fall is way too hard. 2919. Easy money. This line not that interesting anymore. Yeah, this was supposed to be a quick in, quick out. And I wasn't quick out. So now I have to wait a little longer. 2.8, I bought at 19. It's now at 2.8. That's nothing. That's my fee. GTC. If this breaks this level, I want to get alerted, man. It's gonna boom. Okay, so I'm in Aeon. Alright, chess. What's chess doing? Chess is rejecting 330 multiple times. That's not very good news. This might drop back to this level. Then I will buy some. Or it will try. I will be amazed if it tries out 330 again and beating it. So request might not hit this level anymore. Don't think we're gonna make a lot of money today, but even in this bullish Bitcoin market, we still can. I mean, bearish. We're not really in a bear market yet, though. We're still in a bull market. Storage. Also at a nice position. Very strong support at this level. What's the... it's a bit slow though. Yeah. It's nice but slow. Also interesting. Text. A bit quicker. I like these spikes. Text. Only 27 million volume. Yeah, it's a bit of a gamble, but I feel like he's getting some decks. I'm not sure why. Oh, I'm too late. No, I'm not too late. Let's go. I'll just take some. Okay, so there was a little bit of FOMO, but just a few seconds late. I mean, yeah, there was a risky trade. I would say this was a gamble. So let's own it. Let's gamble. Should get a stop loss in place now for 0.5%. Bitcoin is going sideways, man. The volume of DEX is shitty though. Okay, let's look at Aeon. Oh, Aeon is losing some support. This is bad news for my trade. I haven't set a stop loss, so I can still hang out in 0.5%. I probably will, because this is bad news. Alright, I lost Aeon. Here it is. Should really get this thing started. Yeah, I'm out. I mean, it might bounce back up. That's definitely the thing, but this thing breaking this lower level, I should be wary of that. I'm out. Sadly, I made this FOMO buy. Well, there's actually some action going on. Can still get something out of this. Very glad I sold Aeon when it got back up, because it seems like it is losing support levels. Still, we could go either way, but I'm not risking it. This could be breaking down. Aeon had its history. This run was huge for a lot of people. So I got out. Probably lost maybe $10, $20. I'm not sure. I'll check in a minute. Yep, chess is nearing this level. But I won't be surprised if it's gonna climb back up to 3.3 to test it out again. But first it needs to retrace. It could be at this level though. I mean, these little retracements here can be seen as some kind of support level. But it's really weak, but it could bounce back up earlier. But, you know, I'm gonna get some. I'm gonna get some at this level. I'm alright with it. Let's just try. 301.11. It could drop down just a little bit to my alarm, but then it will definitely shoot back up. This is 1.5%. I will buy some more if it actually drops back to that level. But I mean, it's also probably touching this trend line. Oh, it broke it. That's not so good news. But I do expect this level to give support, and especially this level. 2.8 strong support level. If it drops all the way back down to here, then I'll buy some at this level. Just DCAing my buy-in price before it shoots back up. Bear. Yeah, Bear actually did a nice comeback of 7%. I mean, I took only 1% of this. That's sad. I should keep an eye on this more closely. What about Rec? Rec is doing nice. This high is actually This is really good news. This high, I mean, it broke the upward. I mean, it broke this downward trend line. The highs were getting lower, but now it broke it. And the lows were getting higher and higher and higher. So yeah, this one's going places. It will have some struggle to beat the 110 resistance because of this high and this high. But this definitely can go up 10%. Am I gonna risk it? Wreck. Oh, hold on. I'm also seeing some chess action. 1.5%. Nice. I'm gonna wait this out. This should bounce. Maybe I should have taken this 1.5. Why not? Okay, too much going on right now. Wreck. I got out of Aeon. Aeon did recover for a bit. But I'm not feeling Aeon, so it's gonna get lower on the list. Ah, I got some DEX right. Yeah, I'm still in DEX. I almost forgot about DEX. It actually dropped, that's sad. 1%. Might not be my best trade. It was a gamble, I admit that. GTC getting... Ooh, it's breaking out. Didn't see that coming. Set an alert for this breakout. What is this? 5%? Yeah. Okay, this is actually getting interesting. There's way too much I'm having to pay attention to now. I have to make a choice. Oh, this is nice. I still trust in Rec. Should I catch this falling? Yeah, I'm gonna catch him. Definitely gonna catch him. Half my stack, right? There we go. I mean, this is a quarter of my stack, but I already was in chess and DEX as well. Okay, so not any more coins. Chess, DEX, and Rec. That's where I will focus on. Bought some Rec at 9796. Gonna put DEX up on another screen. Bought some chess as well. It's hovering about this level. Yeah, this should back up. I'm not too worried about chess. I should get out of DEX, I think. I mean, it already dropped 1.5%. Yeah, that's too much. I mean, there is some support level at this level, so I suspect it to shoot back up a little bit and then I'm out. If this drops below this level, then I'm fucked. And I should be prepared to get some losses. Maybe I should already take them. DEX. Will I? Yeah, I'm not feeling comfortable. I'm gonna take the losses. Bye bye. I'll see what I lost over there later on. There we go. Chess moving. I need some profits for my sanity. There we go, sold chess. %, so I'm still in plus. Rex also moving a bit up. 8. I want I'm in too many coins right now. I just want to get a little bit of break. 1.5%, let's go. I'll sign for that. Alright, I'm out with everything. So there's a lot of those were 3 trades. 2 of them were profitable, 1 was taking some losses, and I made a good call, I think. I mean, DEX was a small cap or small volume coin, and this trade was really a gamble. It actually was a FOMO trade. I was very well aware of that, and it hit me. It happens. This was not according strategy. Chess though, could have taken some longer. I mean, I got 2% out of this. Out of a 5% move. Still not bad, but it's alright. For rec I got like 1.5% if I recall correctly. Still feel like rec's going places, we'll see. Okay, let's make some notations. First I got in Ion. After that I got in DEX, then I got in chess, then I got in rec. So the Aeon was also a loss trade. Just a small loss, if I recall correctly. I saw it was dropping below a trend line, so I didn't want to take any risk. $7 loss. Perfect. DEX 15.86, and I sold at 15.45. Also taking a hit, probably the big 2% hit. That's bigger than I expected. $38 loss. Alright. Chess. Yeah, like the one trade, I was very aware it wasn't according to my strategy. It was a real FOMO buy-in, and I get punished immediately. So I paid the $38 for another lesson to remind me that I shouldn't trade without strategy. Sometimes you need those lessons to get reminded. 9 and 8. But the chess trade was nice. Rec trade also was nice. Chess trade 2%. Rec 1.8. So there's my $38. I got it back from chess. And then I made 36 with rec. So let's see what my wallet says. $8,545. $8,545. $75. That's cool. I broke the $1,000 profit mark. I'm actually very happy with that. Like 1 year ago, I set a goal to get above $1,000 in profit within a month, and now I did it in 3 days. So, a little celebration from my end. It's actually a goal set in my task list. Nice. Yeah, $75, definitely not too bad in a market where Bitcoin just dropped 7%. Alright, let's have a look at DEX again. It burned me. It still looks fucking interesting, man. I feel like there will be a spike coming. But you know, the cap's too low. I should stay away from that. Chess though. Chess was nice. 5% move. I made a nice call by buying at this level. Shot back up. Not currently at a position to trade. I'm not sure what this is going to do. I'll wait it out. Rec though, current still quite interesting. The big red flag of rec still is that it, I mean, this is a growth of like 360% in 1 day and 8 hours. That's a red flag. It's not, I mean, I can still get some profit of this, but at some point there's going to be some exhaustion. People are going to take profit. Thanks, Swiss. These percentages though are so very big, so I want those. One upswing can give you 6%, that's a lot. But I feel like it needs to crash just a little bit harder. I might buy it this level, so setting the alarm a bit higher. GTC broke out. We got an alarm for that, but my attention was needed elsewhere. Nice. I can't trade this right now though. It's way too tricky, but this thing's going places. GTC is actually #1 on Binance right now, so it's gonna get that momentum of having that position. And it's on, it's been up all day. Yeah, but this is nice. GTC. Yo, Finn. Alright. Even mijn verwarming wat lager gezet. Hier. Alright, GTC. No, I can't trade this yet. This needs to retrace. But it is getting some volume in right now. Let's see. It's getting momentum from being #1 on Binance. It broke out of its zone. 50, yeah, there we go. It's going places, man. As to be expected, but getting in right now would be to FOMO in. It's just a bit too tricky. Ja, klopt. Het is die linker is een Behringer. Zo'n kleintje, zo'n kleine Xenix. En die rechter is een Steinberg audio interface. Zo'n, die ken je wel. Een soort van Focusrite. En daaromheen zitten USB hubs, nog een Dell hub, wat USB naar DVI. Ja, voorloopjes dat ik deze schermen 2 aanstuur. Ja, dat vooral. Look at GTC. As to be expected. Okay, if this is dropping, I'm gonna get some. But don't take my word for it. I always have to reevaluate. I don't want to get alerted though. This alert is not relevant anymore. Oh, GTC already getting alerted. All right. Oh, well, let's get ready. Maybe we're gonna buy some. I mean, if this gets a real huge green red retracement, then I'm just gonna market buy myself in. I'm gonna have a look at the volume. The volume is 174 right now on Binance. Oh, there we go. Oh, yeah, okay. So, this is great. Bam, got some. 14,875. 875. That's quite high actually. It's way up here. It's dropping more. 0.5% down. Maybe get some more in. TCA. I was betting on bouncing back from this level, but got all the way down here. Yeah, it should be quick. Yeah, it should be really quick. Back up, get some. I'm out. I'm alright. Because this could easily go like, and I just did a little check in the past when this happened as well, like here, and you also see only one green upward movement and then it fell back down again. So I wasn't taking any risk. I took profit. Probably only 1%, yeah. But hey, that's something again. So, GTC, let's look how much it was. Probably not a lot. 875, 15, 030, 1%, $20, man, $20. That's cool. And now it's dropping. So oh, look at DEX. I'm happy I got out. DEX keeps on dropping. I bought here. It dropped 3%. I mean, it still should pick up, but I'm not in that game. I don't want to wait 24 minutes. Works on my emotions. And I don't want that. Oh, request is doing something. Oh, it's touching my lower end. So, let's evaluate. Will I get in? I think I will. Yeah, I will. Boom, let's go. 9604. This is gonna shoot back up. 9604. 9604. They're listening to me. I think I'm getting bugged. They know I want this to shoot back up and then they pump it. That's how it works. No, there's actually a strong downward. I'm not sure if it's gonna break that. I could be in danger, actually, to be fair. I mean, I should set a stop loss probably, or I should get out. The reason why I'm in danger, if this blue line, if it breaks, then it's gonna fall all the way to this level, I guess. That's like 7.5%. It's a bit too much. The risk is a bit high. I'm out. I think I made that call a bit too early for buying at this level. It could easily also bounce back up, sure, but RAC has a huge history already, so that wasn't the best decision by buying here, but it was a good decision by getting out quickly. Even if it does shoot back up now, I don't care, the risk was too high. Uh, 6904, 9560, 0.5%, lost $9. Everything below $10 for a bit of risk management is worth it. There we go. Will it shoot back up? I don't care. I'm happy with my decision. Let's have a look at GTC. Whoa, GTC now is breaking out heavily. Oh, I should really trade this. Shit, I've missed this. This is like a huge buy order, man. 18% in 1 minute, what the fuck? Okay, this is bullish. It's a number one on Binance. It already 10 million in volume in the last. This is huge, man. What the fuck? I was expecting this to grow towards this level, but I didn't expect this huge spike. That's insane. Let's see if we can get out something out of this. This might be just one huge whale ordering though, so this is unproportional. This should retrace, man. I mean, this looked like this before, and now because of this huge green dildo, this is looking like a small hump. These percentages are huge, 6%. Is it gonna back up even higher? That's sick. Yeah. Let's see if this gets a strong retracement. I would buy some. I'm gonna set some orders because this thing is going to be a quick motherfucker. 16. Oh, that's the wrong one. GTC. 16. Let's see. Let's just go for a little bit of Fibonacci. It bounced. Okay, 16,305. Let's do that. 16,305. That's halfway back. So. Let's see if we could get something out of this. I don't need to keep looking at this. I'll set an alert. And I also want to get alerted if this actually shoots back even higher. Just to know, not to trade. Okay, so chess is a nice retracement. This is actually, ooh, this is a nice entry maybe. Might be already too late. It touched this level. This is definitely a strong support level. Yeah, definitely. Should I buy some? 1.5%? I mean, I should. Chess. I'm not sure. I'm getting ready though. Getting ready. On the 5 minutes, this is like a. Yeah, I should have. But I'm too late. I was just a little bit too late. It was already popping back up. We could, yeah, I'm not sure. There's a lot of percentages on the line, so I might even get in anyway. But I wouldn't feel that good about it. Oh, in the meantime, GC nearly didn't touch my green line. Shit. So my order didn't get filled. And I missed out on 3%. I guessed wrong by like, well, 0.3%. I'm gonna get rid of my order now, because if it dips further below, oh, by the way, I'm gonna remove this little gray bar here. There we go. Okay. So, chess. All right. I still think chess should make a move. I really feel like buying, but I'm in doubt. If it would have been here, I would have definitely bought, but this, I'm not sure. I want to, but I'm not sure enough. Requested a bounce back up. Request is tricky. So, is Spirit gonna do anything? I'm not sure. I'm done with Bear. Storage done with me. All right. Aeon, yeah, Aeon lost support. Aeon's done. All right, maybe not. Maybe it will shoot back up, but I don't feel like trading Aeon. Yeah, it's chess and GTC. Chess and GTC. Sadly, I missed out on this retracement. My buy order was a little bit too low. Okay. %, 4 minutes. Really don't know why. Okay. Will I get another chance at chess? Let's look at some other. Anchor. Too slow. Civic. Nope. See a coin. Nope. SFP. Nope. Oh, there we go. DEX finally popping. The touch VWAP, this purple line. And then it shot back up. I mean, I bought at this level. So it dropped 3%. Now it's growing 4%. I really don't. Wait, I should care a bit. I'm gonna hold on this. Key. Ah, wow. Why did I miss on this? I didn't miss it. I can recall this being aware of this going on, but I was feeling bad about this because of the previous spikes. I remember. It actually got a huge spike after the retracement, but the percentages aren't that interesting. So, back to GTC. Back to chess. Yeah, I missed out on chess. I really missed out on chess. I was hoping this to go a bit more down, but you know, I should have just bought. And if it would have gone down even further, I should have bought more. That's my, yeah, that's the mistake. And it didn't, and then it made a move 4%, and it could have taken probably 2%. All right, GTC. I want some of that GTC juice. I mean, it's getting momentum on Binance already at 200 million in volume, so the volume is getting in. The volume is getting in. Let's see. There we go. No, this doesn't work. This is not an exponential growth. Maybe it is inside this 1 minute bar, but I feel like getting something. GTC from this point, shooting back up. Yeah, but I'm not sure. It would not be according to my strategy if I buy right now, or well, let's just say it's risky. I mean, it's clearly at a support level, some sort of a temporary, very temporary support level. Now these highs are getting lower actually, so I'm just gonna stare at this and wait for it to dip. And if it doesn't, then it's my bad luck. Ooh, there we go. Chess. So, this is getting interesting. Chess is dipping hard. Okay. Finally. I'm gonna get ready to get some chess. It's touching the support. Yeah, I'm gonna get some 2864. And I'm prepared to buy more if it dips more. Maybe a quick grab. Quick crash grab. But the potential is so much more though. But I feel like it's gonna get back to this level anyway. Yeah, it's gonna get back. So just gonna get a bit of profits and I'll buy some more. There we go. There we go. I'll buy some more. 2845. Dropping even lower. Yeah, this is gonna shoot back up sooner or later. So I got a little bit of chess juice out of that. Let's see how much it was. Or I should stay focused. Get some more chess juice out of this. GTC is recovering meanwhile, I see in my top corner. Bitcoin is as well, by the way. Alright, it's really hitting the support level now, man. I feel like buying more, but I'll be patient. Yo, Kale. Real Kale. Ik reageer zo op je punt over die Binance indeling. Je moet ook beseffen dat wat jij nu op je scherm ziet in Twitch, dat is echt een samenraapsel van verschillende plekken van mijn scherm, zeg maar. Dus dat zou je nooit kunnen kopiëren op één scherm. Dat is gewoon de streaming software die ik daarvoor gebruik. Om dat netjes zo te organiseren op één scherm. Dus eigenlijk alle belangrijke dingen van deze 3 schermen zien jullie nu op één scherm. Maar dat is ook ja. Op mijn main scherm heb ik gewoon hetgene wat jullie in het midden zien. Dus dit scherm. En daarnaast hierboven heb ik gewoon normaal Binance. Dus ik heb niks aan Binance getweakt of zo. Dit is gewoon standaard Binance. Het is in ieder geval aan te raden om op zijn minst 2 schermen te hebben. Alright, chess. You're dropping. I might buy some more. Yeah, I really feel like buying more. Will I do that right now? Yeah, I'll do it right now. 2818. I mean, look at this resistance levels. I mean, there's still a risk of this going down even further, but then there's also VWAP, which is like a daily average, which also serves as a, well, it can bounce off that level. but it's an arbitrary daily average though. It resets every day at 12 o'clock. Yeah. Or 1 o'clock because of my time zone. Whoops. Oh, there we go. Just moving up. Just moving up. I'm gonna take some profit out of this. 1.5. Yeah, why not? Should I take it? Or should I wait? I'm gonna take it. There we go. I'm out. Probably moving up much more percentages like always. Okay. Yeah, this is gonna... I'll see how much money I made. If this drops back one more time, I'm gonna buy some more. And then I'll set a stop loss and just have one trade. Hoping it's going to moon, but that might be too late. What about GTC though? Okay, GTC is climbing back up. Yeah, okay, this thing's gonna break out. GTC is very bullish. Is completely bullish. Let's see if there's any huge sell order at 17,778. No, there isn't. I mean, I could just FOMO in right now and be okay with it. It's going to be a gamble, but this is gonna blow. Yeah, this is gonna blow. Should I do it? Yeah, I'll just do it. I'll do a little bit of riding along. 17,814. I could be wrong though. This is a FOMO buy-in. But I think I'm not wrong. I'm not. 78. $78.14. Or am I? Took a huge risk there, but I just felt like it's gonna blow. We need to wait this out a bit. This retracement is just small. It's gonna get bigger and I'm gonna have a problem, but it's still small. It might actually find support on this previous highs and then should back up way higher. Let's see if that happens. Bit of a gamble. Oké, ja, snap ik. Ik probeer het gewoon netjes te hebben dat ik de belangrijkste dingen zie. Alleen bij mij, alles wat ik doe, ziet de graphs er klein uit. Ik ga film kijken, alright. Kan je misschien later wel helpen, maar succes met kijken. Of veel plezier met je film bedoel ik. Alright, there's a big green deal forming. So. I mean red. It's red, guys, not green. Am I gonna stay in or take my loss? That's the $1 million question right now. Because I still feel this is a strong pattern. Is there some sell order at 18 though? I should have a look. What's 18? 18 is 200k. No, that's not a lot. Yeah, it's already gone. It's gonna blow above 18. Right? 18, is it gone? Yeah, no, 14. Yeah, only 14k, it's gonna blow. There we go. The 18 wall got eaten. What are people waiting for? %. Okay, so right now I'm gonna do something different. I'm gonna set a stop loss at 18. So if that sells, then I'm only getting a little bit of profit. Else I'm gonna get a huge profit. Just a little bit of risk. I'm okay with that. 5. Oh. 4. Yeah. How much are we already? Oh, there we go. This is a big move, you know. I think I'm already taking profits. Because this is a $100 move. Definitely. Alright, I'll take it. Thank you. 18.944. I could have made probably a bit more, as always, but... Oh, I can't even... 18.944. So... One of my best trades... 6.3% is actually my best trade since I started. In terms of percentages. In terms of risk, it really wasn't my best trade. But yeah. This pattern was just way too bullish to sleep on. It's going 10% now. 4 minutes. Let's see if we can get some more out of this. This is obviously retracing, so I might get some based on my actual strategy. Hopping in on the retracements. Oh, am I still in chess, by the way? I haven't sold everything. Why is that? I still have some back. What is this? I still have some back out there. I don't see all my USD. What is this? I'm gonna check it out. I'm only seeing there's 2K USD floating somewhere. Yeah, it's chess. Fuck. What happened there? That shit, man. Come on. Why do I still have chess? I sold chess here. Ah, fuck, and now it dropped all the way back as well. Like 5%. Okay. I got burned for some reason. Why is that? Why did... I might know why. Okay, I'm gonna wait for this to shoot back up because I need to deal with these damages. I sold at 2.8. I bought twice. 2.851. 2.818. Oh, this is it. This is it. I'll take some losses. 2.818. Alright. It's not that bad. Wow, GTC though. %. GTC is getting huge. There's much money to be made right now. Okay. It's shitty about the chest though. I really think it's shitty. I accidentally sold half my stash of chess. GTC, man. $8643. $8643. Alright, $150. Okay, back at GTC, but that's where the action's at. $18. I got 6% out of 16%. Not bad. Yeah, GTC not done yet, man. GTC is not done yet. Oh, this is gonna bounce back up. Please drop some more. 18, 9, 8. Yeah, alright. I'll take some. Oh shit. 21. Oh, that's not my quarter of my stack, but anyway. And I'll sell some. 19, 16. I'll get more. 19, 16. But I got some. There we go. There we go. 1939. Great. So I sold at 1939. It's 1%. Right, not that much. Could have waited it out, but really it's hard to predict right now. I'm happy with these few percentages. So another GTC trade. I'll update this later on. I need to focus on this. Just done. I feel like this should retrace. A bit more. But the bullishness is just very strong. $18. Yeah, we'll just wait it out. It's a waiting game now. $18.6. You know what? I'll just place 18.65. Why not? 18.655. I think it's too bullish to actually drop back to this level. But, you know, if it does, then it's definitely going to shoot back up, so. It could also fall all the way back to this level, then I'm also going to buy. So, at 18. That will be an insta buy. In the meantime, I can work on these chess trades. Okay, so there was 1 at 2, 864, and I sold it at 2898. Then there were 2 buy-ins, 2845, 2818. Half of it I sold at 2851. Oh, actually, it's the other one. $851. God damn it. 2851. Oh, look at GTC, it's touching. I hope it is. Yeah. What? It's barely. No, it's not touching it. Yep. It's filled. Now shoot back up, please. Thanks. Or we'll drop all the way back to 18. I don't think so. There we go. %1 up. 1.5 probably. I'll take it, thanks. Alright, so third trade. First I'm gonna wrap up chess. $2,776. Yeah, the chats trades cancelled out. This was an accidental mistake, this loss. I wasn't aware I was still holding chess. I thought I'd already sold it. Right, now let's look at this GTC trade. This was a big one. It started at 17.8. 814. And I sold at 18.944. 6.3%. $120 trade. Nice. Nice. Okay. Then I did 2 more. Bought at 1916. Sold at 19,398. Next up, bought at 18,655. Sold at 18,850. Smaller profits, but still welcome. 24.20, $44, and we're dropping even more. That means we're gonna get ready to buy some more, because this will shoot back up sooner or later. Definitely has this level. Yeah, so that, what's the level? 18.14. Let's go 18.14. And it's quite bullish, so I might even buy right now. Because what's the drop to 18.14? Oh, 2.5. Might be a bit too much though. Or is it? No. I'm gonna take a position here. 18.569. There we go. I think, yeah. Well, I'll take a small profit, or I'm gonna wait this one out for a big profit and set a stop loss. No, I'll be okay with a small profit for this one. If it reaches this level, 18.1, 18.1, I'm gonna set a buy order. 18.155. Yeah. It's already going. I'm feeling very comfortable with this one. In the meantime, I'm gonna update my wallet. Already added the $100 one, but the 44 still needs to be added. $8,664. Oh. Some money went to fees. 8,664. Alright. Okay, we're dropping. Yeah, it should bounce back up. Definitely. Could be the case that it's going to be all the way at this level, but if that's the case, then I'm gonna have to take some losses. I'm not sure. No, I won't. It will shoot back up. Got filled. I'm in twice. So we'll bounce at this level, as I predicted. 18.150. 15, or will it go back down to the actual resistance of 18? Support, I must say, used to be resistance. Not a very strong resistance though, but you could make a case that this could drop all the way back to this level, but before we do, it would be nice if it shoots back up, and it seems to do so. Yeah, this is going back up. There we go. There we go. This is a nice trade once again. I'll take it. There we go, we're out. Perfect buy at this level. Very happy with this trade, perfect. Okay, so 19.17. This trade was a 5.5% move. This trade was a 3.3% move. Look at this. I bought at this freaking level. The potential would have been 10%. Even more, even more, even more. This thing is bullish as fuck, man. Holy shit. If I've waited this for 10 seconds longer, I would have got the 10% trade out of this. But I'm happy with the, well, 8%. I mean, this was, yeah, 3. This was 5, so it adds up to 8% move out of 13%. That's well done. Let's see how much I made. Definitely approximately $150, I suspect. So I sold both at 19, 17, 4. The first one I bought at 18, 155. Second one, I mean, this was the second one. The first one I bought at 18, 569, 569. 3.5%, 6.2%. Can't see it. So that's a $169 move. Nice, 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 nice. Yeah, one of my best trades yet once again. GTC 8, we're at 8863 by now. 8863. So that's almost $400 this session. Meanwhile, GTC is getting crazy. I mean, I'm happy I've waited this out a little bit longer than normal, because I was just so convinced that this was a level to buy. Also a bit thanks to this Fibonacci retracement. I mean, it touched this 382 line, and in a very bad bullish market, you shouldn't wait for it to drop all the way back to the 5 line or the 618 line. It's probably going to be this line, and it actually did perfectly. It made a move 15% by now. and the exponential growth started at this, and this is the 5-minute chart. So at the 1-minute chart this was a bit less obvious, that's why I switched to the 5-minute chart to draw this Fibonacci retracement. I wasn't expecting this to happen though. Super bullish right now, number 1 on Binance. The volume is up at 250 million, so it gained like 55 million in the last hour or something. An hour ago I was at this point 45% in 1 hour. Yeah. I was still watching actually. I see some viewers. Robin maybe? I think the users in chat list is not up to date at Twitch. Ah, Ruben, jij bent nog steeds aan het kijken. Nice man. Je bent nu al een van mijn meest loyale kijkers. Alright. All the other coins are nothing. Chess also nothing. GTC is where it's at. But yeah, right now I can't do anything. This shit needs to retrace. Like so. But I'm not sure at what level, because this is not... I wasn't expecting this strong upward trend. I don't know how to trade this. I mean, it could retrace, but this is not like an exponential growth like this, so I can't... You know what? There's even a case to be made that you start your Fibonacci retracement at this level, and it touched this 618 line perfectly. So yeah, within this time frame, this was also a variant of trading this. And I picked my buy order because of the 5-minute Fibonacci retracement. But this one would have worked as well. This one though, I'm not so sure about this one, because this growth is not like this typical exponential curve, right? This is just like BAM. Some really heavy... It's different. There's some different human psychology in this one. I mean, especially if the first candle is the largest of all, and then it's different. Is cryptocurrency my main income? No, actually it isn't. I'm hoping it someday will be. So we'll see after this month. I've just started trading with these amount of dollars. I used to trade with like well, approximately 2k. I did a lot of trading with 2k, like for 2 months straight, and that was a big learning experience. I mean, I dropped from 2k to approximately 800 because of some really stupid overnight trades holding, and I'm not good at, it's not my specialty. I just need to make quick trades, and then I worked myself back up to 2k again from 800. So it took me about a month or so, maybe a bit longer, 1.5, and that's when I got really the trust in myself that I could do this with bigger numbers. And this is the first time I'm trading with these numbers, and well, it's my third day and already with 1300 profit. So yeah, this could be my next job. We'll see. I mean, we're still in a very bullish market in crypto. Once crypto is in like a bear market for like 2-3 years, then I'm not so sure if I can make this kind of profits. So I'm not willing to quit my job just yet. It's gonna probably take a few more years to be that confident I can quit my regular job. Where did I study? I studied in Amsterdam. I did neuroscience or psychobiology as my bachelor's. I tried a neuroscience master's, but I was also doing a business master's, and that one I nearly completed, but I didn't do my scriptie because of work. I like my job a lot. I used to be an entrepreneur, event organization. This is a nice entry for GTC. I mean, or is it? Yeah. It's a bit too tricky. What courses? Well, I never did any trading courses. If that's what you were wondering about, or economics courses. Yeah, I did some business courses like marketing and strategy, and a bit of economics, I guess. But this trading I learned from other Twitch streamers like 3 to 4 years ago, when I got into crypto. Like a few months after I started buying my first crypto, I was watching some Twitch streamers doing the exact same thing I'm doing right now, scalping, and I learned a lot from that. Where did I study cryptocurrency? Yeah, like I said, watching other Twitch streamers. This would have been a nice entry after all, but not feeling that confident. Okay, maybe I'll look for other coins in the meantime. Anchor 2 is something. Alright, we'll have a look. What's this? 12% move, but it's slow. 12% in half an hour. Sure, that's fast, but compared to... Oh, it broke out actually. It's interesting. This might be a nice position. But I do believe the anchor volume is... it's okay. Okay, anchor is a bit interesting. This might drop to these previous levels. No, I'm not so sure. Oh, chess is finally heading back up after finding some support at these levels. Right. I can recall you were from Italy, right? If there were a lot of Twitch streamers with my language, would be cool. Yeah. Well, Twitch streaming crypto isn't actually that popular. If you look at Twitch, so I might make a change. But yeah, it's tough. The best learning school is just to try things out. But YouTube probably also has quite some content. Ooh, look at requests also bouncing back up. Took a while. It took a tank of 17%. I'm glad I got out. Dexy, ooh, look at that. The coin where I lost, well, a little bit, $38. Got a 10% move. I'm not trading this though. I don't feel like this. This thing already bounced. 3%. Key is not interesting. Buy. Beer. No. Dexy could be interesting if it really... Oh, there's a new kid on the block. Let's look at Mask. Okay, that's something. Not super interesting. Dexy might be interesting. It's breaking out of these previous highs and it's aiming for 18. That's 6%. But I don't think the volume is going to support that. Aeon. Yeah, Aeon is done. Maybe it will get a little bit of upswing, but no. You know what? I'm done looking at Aeon. I'm also done looking at Request actually. Chess did a little bit of retracements. Let's look back at GTC though. Alright. Alright. So if this goes like from this point onwards, if it goes like this, then it's gonna blow out of the 21 zone again. And then I should take a position. If it's gonna back, yeah, either way, I think that's what will be happening. This is gonna build up sooner or later to this region, and then it's gonna blow out of it. That's what I'm expecting. So we'll wait it out. Maybe get a position in the meantime somewhere below here, but not at this point. I mean, this thing had a... It could also be... I mean, this was a 50% move. Maybe it's a bit too optimistic that it will blow up again. Might retrace or just go sideways for a while. The volume will dictate. But I must say, I mean, this volume spike, it's still fresh. How old is this? 1 hour, yeah. I think we're not done yet. I mean, GTC just got on #1 spot on Binance last hour, so I think it's gonna get some #1 traction. It's up at 100%, so meanwhile at Anchor might be a nice position. What's the potential? Nah. Yeah, it's actually a nice position to enter, but maybe drop down a little bit more. On the other hand, it seems so slow and sluggish. It's not as exciting as GTC. Chess also is dying out. Alright, Taxi was still working itself up to 18. Could be the surprise of the evening. Remember when I bought at this point? And I sold, well, at a 2% loss, just in case. Still happy with that, else probably would have sold it later. But this is not really up 13%. Yeah, Anchor might do this, but I mean, it did break out of its range, so on paper this is a really good position to enter. Maybe I should just do it. Thing is, it's slow. I don't like that. But everything screams that this is a good entry. I'll just draw a line and imaginary buy-in. Let's see if it works out. I don't feel like actually buying it. We'll see. Oh, GTC failed. Right. Okay, so what does it mean? Does it mean a nice entry? Or are we gonna back up? I mean, it is touching. No, it fell. This trend line. Is it being respected? And I'm not sure. This is not. This pattern is not my specialty. Definitely not. I just know this coin is very bullish right now on Binance. So, I mean, I could probably have made maybe 1% out of this drop, but I felt the risk was a bit too high. This might need some correction. What is this level anyway? Why would it find support? Yeah, but only because of this blue line. But it's not that strong. It still seems to be respecting it though. Anchor, my imaginary buy-in. Alright, so it touched these previous highs. The volume. Really am curious what GTC will do. Let's look at 5 minutes. Does it say anything? It's saying watch out. $9. 25th November yesterday. No, it's 19. Yeah, it seems to be respecting the trend line, but alright, I'm definitely setting an alert if this is blasting. If the momentum we're seeing here will blast us up towards this level, then we're gonna triple top. And then the 21. Let's see if there's a huge sell order at 21. $300K. No, that's not that big. There's $300K at 250, 2050, and that's it. That should be no problem for the #1 coin on Binance to eat. Let's see if there's any bigger levels. 25. Wow. Gitcoin is what it's called. Whatever that may be. Yeah, alright. It's having some trouble here. What about Anchor? Oh, there we go. It did find some support previous highs. Yeah, this level was actually perfectly aligning. And then, boom. Well, it's only 2% still. Not bad. Yeah, I think I'm starting to wrap up here. Because, well, it might take a while before I'm getting interested in another GTC position. Maybe one more. I'll give it 10 minutes. I'll stop at 11 Amsterdam time. Dexy's climbing upwards. 6, 5. Ooh, Dexy's actually quite interesting. It's climbing. Binance as well. 31. Yeah, this actually would be a nice position though. I mean, I could try and set a small stop loss. You know, I'll do that. I'll do that. Storage? Yeah, hold on. I'll check it out. First I'm gonna buy some DEX and set a stop loss and see where it takes us. 16.6. So I bought it 16.71. Stop loss is at 16. 16.6. That's a small loss if it touches it. Maybe I should make it less tight. Yeah, I think I should make it less tight. $6.5 maybe. Yeah. 6.5. 6.52. Okay. There we go. All right, storage. All right. It went exponential for a bit, so you could say draw this 5%. The percentages aren't that impressive, and due to this history, there's a lot of history on these levels, so that's one reason why trading this isn't going to be that strong. I need this pattern to be like upwards, higher upwards, so there's no trading history that's this big like this. A lot of history over here. But the pattern actually is something I look for, like these exponential growths. Anchor's taking off, so my imaginary buy-in is having some profit. GTC might reverse. Will it? Not sure. Too tricky, man. It's too much percentages on the line. So I had a position in DEX. Where? Let's wait that out. I mean, this pattern is getting quite predictable, so it just need one more top. So, I mean, I'm risking 1%. It's like $25 to get 5%, or I'll probably buy out at 3 to get $100. So it's okay. I am going to set a alert. Just so I can get above the $400 profits. GTC though, yeah, it should actually. It's very tempting to get a position because it's going red bars, 3 red bars in a row now. Look at what happened last time when that happened. Well, I think it's still very bullish. It just needs to find some level of support and then it will take off, but there really isn't any. So it's gonna be just a matter of taste. What do people think is a support level? This is an obvious one, but it might not even go back to this level anymore. Maybe it just found this level as support. So yeah, I'm gonna get ready. Maybe I should just get a small buy-in and get a small stop loss. I'll do that. It's a bit risky. I mean, it could shoot up for 6%, so that's worth it, right? If it falls back down, I'm losing 2.5%. That's a lot actually. I'm gonna wait it out, do it. Yeah, all right. 19. Is 19 support? Looks like it. there's a lot of buy orders here. I think it actually is, but it's not. It's like 300k until this level. Yeah, you know. It's tough to decide, I'll do it, I'll just do it. And if I'm wrong, then I'll take a lesson. 19,026. So, this, I am going to set a stop loss just below. So that's 18,796. 1.3%. 18.79. 18.79. 18.78. I must admit, I'm not feeling too good about this. I think it will drop a little bit more, but it does look like it finds some support at this level. This is a learning experience. I'm gonna pay for this if this isn't turning out. The way I want it to. Maybe I could choose to get a percentage of profit. Why not? If it tops at 9,200, yeah, that's reasonable. So I could make an OCO. How did that work again? I forgot about it. Very well. Very. Bitcoin going crazy. Well, is it? I don't think it is. Oh, there we go. I'm gonna take some profit here, I guess. GTC. Or is it breaking out? It will be nice. Is it? This might be it. Yeah, I'm gonna wait this out. Just a little bit longer, maybe half a minute. This might be the start of a nice upswing. Oh, all these dots. I bought this at 19. No, shit. It's rejecting. It doesn't want to. But the highs are getting higher. There we go. There we go. So I bought at 19.26. 2% move, $50. $50. I'm gonna wait this out. I think it will grow. It will grow. Might be wrong, but I don't think I am. %, 5%. All right, I'm out. This is a $100 move. Oh, where the fuck is my GTC? Oh, it's still on the order side. Whoopsie. Forgot to cancel the order. So, alright, I'm fine with that. Okay, so this might shoot back up all the way to 21. And then it's gonna test the 21 region. If it breaks that, then it's gonna blow. Then it's gonna blow for another 10% run. But I'm happy with, well, this $100 move. This was definitely a $100 move. GTC, I bought at 19.126, sold at 19.957. Oh, it's a $94 move. Well, can't complain, right? So I sold at 99.4. That's approximately at this level. The potential was 7.5%. I took approximately 5% out of this. So nice. Really happy with this. I'm happy I've noticed that there was some sort of support level forming here. And look at this. I got out right in time as well. These green lines, in TradingView, it's Alt H. So if you look at this horizontal line, shortcut is Alt H. Oh. All right. Great trade. Happy I did that. It's 11 o'clock and I got that trade in. We're still in DEX, by the way. DEX is in profit right now. 1%. Oh, it's not climbing as hard. Okay, I'm gonna get out of DEX. That's clear. Taking some profit, 1%. Cool. Cancel, please. There you go. The DEX trade actually was before GTC, so DEXC. I sold it at 16.82. Bought at 16.71. Yeah, it's a small profit. Only $13. Woo. Okay. I sold right in time, I guess. It's already below my buy-in level. I mean, I noticed I was hoping for it to shoot back to make a move like this, because it did that like 3 times in a row. And my stop loss was actually not that bad. I would only lose like $5 if it went below this level. So, but then I noticed this pattern. This wasn't really strong. So yeah, it was clear that it's not going to follow this pattern. And I bought out just in time. I must say I got a bit lucky there, because I wasn't paying that much attention to DEX. So if I was 1 minute late, I would have made a loss. GTC, yeah, GTC is having a hard time. I think it can take a while before GTC is retesting the $21. And a while, I mean maybe half an hour, maybe an hour. Thanks for the follow, Entrepreneurship, by the way. Okay, so let's make the balance up, make up the balance. Let's look at my balance, because I'm gonna quit. And I'm gonna take the, well, almost 9k, so 8985. 8985. That's a $500 profit. How long am I streaming? Just gonna check that. I think it's approximately 2.5, maybe 3 hours. 2.5. Thanks, Ferry. Yeah. $500 in 2.5 hours. I'd sign for that. How's your LAN party going, Ferry? Maybe just a little small trade to break that 9k. nobody's online. They have someone with a broken PC. Right. I can imagine that situation. That's sad. Sad for the broken PC. Look at Mask. 6%, 6 minutes. Nah, I'm not gonna trade anymore. Maybe if there's a little opportunity somewhere out there. Because I'd like to break the... oh, this is actually a very small opportunity. But I'm not feeling okay about chess. Bye chess. Anchor. Oh, this is my imaginary buy-in. It actually would have got me a nice profit. So now I feel sad for the buying being imaginary. But my prediction was correct, so that's a win, right? Yeah, alright. GTC is the place to be for the next few hours. I think it's gonna blast through 21. Maybe I'm gonna do a little buy-in with a stop loss and then just hold it overnight. Nah, I'm not a holder. Fuck that. Or am I? I mean, I could set a target for like plus 5% or so. I mean, I see this going $25 in the next few hours. Yeah, there's a good chance it will. Because this thing is slowly going $21 right now. And then it's gonna break. Then it's gonna pop like this over here. And then it made a 16% move in 5 minutes. So, a lot of money on the line, yo. Will I do something with this? Yeah, Dex is done, Anchor is done, so we're left with GTC. The $1 million question, will I take a small position, set a stop loss, and set a target for like, well, $25? I mean, I could also just set the target for just below 21 in case it doesn't break. Interesting. Oh. By the way, what were you talking about, Bitcoin? Well, there is something going on. But it's not much. Though, I can see this level failing though. It could be the case that in the next 2 hours, this will drop. And I could short it. Why don't we just short Bitcoin? Well, if it drops, it probably drops to this level for a little bounce up. before it goes. Yeah, because I mean, this is a previous resistance, previous support. No, it's not super strong, but this area will at least give a little bounce back up. After that, I don't know, it might... Yeah, it's hard to predict. What's with the trend line though? There's a clear... it's still far away from it. But I do think this isn't looking very good. I think Bitcoin will... If I have to bet right now, I will bet for Bitcoin to be tanking in the next 12 hours. Get another... maybe to this level or something. No, 10% is a lot, right? To this level. What's this level? 2.5%. I'm not sure. Who knows? I'm not really good at predicting Bitcoin. It's just way too fucking complex. Okay, I'm glad I didn't go for the stop loss because GTC is failing the upward trend. It kind of got squeezed. No, I'm not gonna draw a line for this. Yeah, this is it. I'm done. I'm not gonna trade this anymore. We're done. Thanks for watching. I got my bag of $500 this session. One more refresh to be sure. Wait. What is it, Mr. Qubit from Italy? Oh, the actual final number is $3 less, I guess. Oh no, just 4. Okay. All right. Will I stream tomorrow? Yes. In the afternoon, early afternoon probably. I think it will be approximately 2 o'clock Amsterdam time. It's probably also Italy time. But don't pin me on it. Might be a bit later that afternoon. But yeah, definitely. Tomorrow will probably be a long session because I don't have any plans except for the morning. Hey, Ferry on YouTube. You're the first one with a YouTube chat message. Alright, see you, man.